Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm here to introduce you to my EA. The name of my EA is Ethereum Scalper. You need to see the scalper in action, as you can actually see it for yourself. Look at the graph. The graph is something else. It's very wide, very good for you. You can see the result. The result is massive. You can see it with a minimum of $100 to $300. You can see it here. It's just $100 initial deposit. You can see the profit. It's very wide. You can see the drawdown. The drawdown is very good compared to the profit ratio. And the graph too is something else. You can see the result for yourself. See the results. See it for yourself. Look at the debts. Look at everything. And say it for yourself. It's something else. So you can actually check me out. For now, the EA is only for now on. You can get the products on nql5.com. That's the only place I'm actually selling the EA for now. You can check me out. I'm going to drop the link to the video, the link to the product on the video below. You can check me out. Or you can actually contact me on WhatsApp. I'm going to still drop my WhatsApp there. You can check me out and just hit me up and chat me. In case you're having any things, any form of clarity you are actually want me to clear you on. You can check me and then you can actually say it for yourself. The EA is something else. It's massive. You can see it. Ethereum Scalper is very good. The results, the graph, everything is very good. And viewers, you can actually subscribe to my channel. You can subscribe to my channel for more of my videos, more of my updates and all that. And keep you updated on my channel. Thanks guys. Hit me up. Just hit me up. Okay.